In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside your TradeLocker account over here, you want to go ahead and go in the graph, and over here you can just move around, and wherever you actually want to select a price alert, so let's say I want to select a price alert and create it over here, you want to go ahead and click on this plus icon and then hit the alert button over here. Now, once you do that, an alert will be created. So as you can see over here, the alert has now been created for this very specific price. If you want to remove it, you can just click this X button to close alert, or if you'd like to view all your alerts, so for example, let's say I have multiple, I'm going to create a few more over here as well, like this. There we go. I have now 3. And then you can go down here, and whenever you hover over this tab, you will basically be able to see a bunch of different tabs, and the one to the very right says alerts. Click on that, and here are now your alerts. So you can see where you've placed your alerts, and you can just basically cancel them or close them by clicking this X button at the very far right. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.